Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you where the fuse box locations are located on that BMW 745. Yeah, that will be the same for the 760, 735. 7 Series, the one are E65 and E66, guys. So once you open the trunk, you have two locations. One is in the trunk. Okay, and when you remove that cap right here, okay, that's where the fuses are. You can see right here. And the fuse diagram is actually on the inside of that panel. So that's the first location. Most of those are related to the body and not so much about engine or transmission related or anything like that. It's mostly about the convenience package inside. Also, the other location is inside. It's a little hidden, but if you go to the passenger compartment, open the glove box. Okay, and we have no idea what that one is actually in this one. And now there is a thing that you need to release right here. Okay, like that, and that's where the fuses are located, guys. And actually inside we have a little manual too. Okay, let me pull it out so you can see if you need the fuse numbers and what they're used for. It's right there. They're not easy to reach, but with pliers like that, it's pretty convenient to pull them out and replace them. Okay, and this is the fuse diagram if you need it for something. As you can see, it's for the airbags, air conditioning, ABS, doors, anything pretty much that's mechanical on it. So those are the two locations on that vehicle, one in the trunk, one behind the glove box. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.